So let's start with an overview. So I logged in Supervisely under my name, Boris YY, and I am a member of several teams here. So sometimes we want to separate data and people who are working with the data. So, for example, there might be a certain number of people who work with, say, retail use cases, and some other team members might work on some other projects. So, and it's normal in Supervisely to be a member of several teams. Like in my case, I am a member of these 5 teams, and in each team I have an admin role. So let me select first this in-house team, which will consist a number of just three workspaces, and these workspaces may contain different data or data from different sources. So, for example, there might be a workspace that contains, say, data from supermarket shelves, and say this workspace consider fruits and vegetables. So I have 2 batches of data for fruits and vegetables. Those are 2 projects. If I open the first project, I will see 4 images like this contained in dataset that is called DS1. And another project contains another batch of data, also for just 4 images here. So that's about data. What about persons or team members? If I click Start and go to Team Members, I will see 3 team members here. So that is myself, Boris YY, and I have an admin role here. I also have James and Oliver in my team, who has an annotator role. I may invite more team members by clicking this Invite button, putting the name of the login here, and picking the appropriate role. And it's important to say that the role itself defines the access level to the data and the activity, the actions that a specific person with a specific role can actually do. More specifically, if we go to documentation and to members section here, we will see the description of roles available, and we will also see the table here that illustrates for each role which actions might be taken, which actions are allowed. So let's go back here. We don't need to invite more users for now. And in the next example, what I will show is the process of how I can organize annotations of these two projects with slightly different settings. And in the meanwhile, I will ask the team members that I have to help me perform this labeling task. So essentially, we have finished with an overview. It was really a brief one, and let's focus on the use case.